Parents often want to give the best nutrition to their child but get fooled with marketing gimmicks and end up building an unhealthy diet plan for their child. Breast milk continues to be a vital source of nutrition for the newborns until the age of 6 months. Breast milk is composed of all the important nutrients such as water, protein, carbohydrates, various fats, antibodies, hormones, vitamins, strains of bacteria, and immune cells, all required for the growth and development of the child. As your child is 6 months and beyond, you need to introduce solid foods in addition to breast milk to keep up with his growing needs. To begin with, ensure you give your child his first food after he has breastfed or between nursing sessions, and gradually go on replacing each feed with solids until his all meals are replaced. You shall continue breastfeeding. A growing child is not just developing his palate, his digestive system and taste buds, but also developing an opinion about what to eat and what not to eat. So as parents, the transition from breastfeeding to solids becomes a tedious journey. The journey from breastfeeding to feeding solids to your child is indeed very challenging, but can be planned easily if you take care of the following. When you introduce solids to your child, ensure that he is developmentally ready to do so. This would include seeing if he can sit up in a high chair without help, if he can use the up and down movement of his jaw, and if he has hand-eye coordination like picking up the food and putting it in his mouth unassisted. The easiest way to understand your child's daily diet requirements is a 5-finger plan. This means that your child's daily diet shall include carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Good nutrition during the first 2 years of life is vital for healthy growth and development. Starting good nutrition practices early can help children develop healthy dietary patterns. New foods do take time to become a part of your child's diet plan, and it is best to never give up. It is a major responsibility of a parent to get this right, because all the growth and developmental milestones are directly related to the child's nutritional makeup.